Today, I'll show you how to log in to Confluence Cloud. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to access your workspace and what to do if you're asked to complete additional security verification. Start by opening your web browser and going to your organization's Confluence Cloud site or the Atlassian login page. If you have your workspace bookmarked, you can open it directly. On the sign-in screen, enter the email address associated with your Atlassian account, then click Continue. Next, enter your password and click Login. If you've forgotten your password, click Can't Login and follow the prompts to reset it before continuing. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Enter the one-time verification code sent to your email or generated by your authentication app, depending on your organization's security settings. After your credentials are verified, you'll be signed in and taken directly to your Confluence Cloud workspace, where you can access your spaces, pages, and recent activity. That's all it takes to log in to Confluence Cloud. Thanks for watching.